Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to remove screen lock pattern password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock my tablet and try to unlock my tablet. This is the current pattern. Okay, I would like to completely remove pattern and I would like to use no password for my tablet. So what I got to do is just go to the settings of tablet. Just go to settings. Then go to security. Click on security here. Then click on screen lock. It will ask your current pattern for authentication. Give it. And then now you have to choose none or swipe. Okay. I click on none. So your tablet will ask confirmation whether to remove device protection. Remove device protection. If you are sure, just click on yes remove, otherwise cancel it. I have clicked on yes remove because I would like to remove screen lock pattern. Yes, it has been removed. Now hereafter, if you lock your phone, that is tablet, to unlock your tablet, it will not ask your pattern. Okay, because it has been already removed. Okay, so no password is applied now. So in this way you can easily remove screen lock pattern password from your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.